Renovations are a major trend. Owners are preserving historic facades while modernizing interiors for today's lifestyle. Think open kitchens, spa-like baths, and definitely energy-efficient upgrades. For investors, rentals in Brooklyn Heights and Cobble Hill remain strong. Renovated brownstones can command a premium rent, attracting professionals and high-income families seeking character and convenience.